Dow Jones today trading with a slight bullish bias compared to what we had seen for US 100. US 100 now in fact has seen a massive bull yesterday, went in towards 13900. Remember, a long time back we had discussed this fact that beyond 13200 it is 13500, beyond 13500 it is 13800 levels and 14000 levels. All achieved. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect today with the US session? Which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. You can also join our Telegram channel where you get the live update. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First we'll look into Tech 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Now see, look at the hourly chart. See consolidation here, then this rise, then consolidation, then this rise, then this consolidation. And hence it is very clear that it has to come out of this zone in order to trade bullish. In fact, till 13800 levels, rather 13780 levels, we should not consider US 100 as bearish. That is also very clear. However, if you look at lower highs, lower lows, which means 13820 levels, very good support there. On the upside 13880, 900, and hence rather I will recommend you to buy only if you see it trading above 13900, a wide range on the upside. And see, remember also today Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech will definitely bring the volatility in markets, and hence we have to trade with extreme caution, because either which ways it is going to hit the stop losses there for sure. And hence safe traders should wait for the speech to get over, let the market take a direction, and then only you should take a trade. Now look at the charts. You see it is trading in this bearish channel as what you have seen, 820, 800, 780. Till 780 put a 20-point trailing stop loss. You can sell there at 820, expect 800, 780 levels, and if it draws below 780 then a little more bearishness may prevail. What it may try to do, see, this is still, once you can see this expanding zone here, and hence till 800 it has got, 780 it has got very good support. Now also if you look at the moving averages were trading with extreme divergence, it is going to first try to hit the moving average here at around 820, and then in fact the 50 period moving average at around 720 can be expected to achieve, and hence you can sell at 820, expect it to drop more. Stochastic is dropping here. The MACD on the hourly charts divergent and bearish, it is looking downwards. It can try to take it into the oversold zone. RSI is also looking downwards here, trying to trade with a bearish bias. And if you look at 2-hour charts, now look at 2-hour charts here. See, breaking below 13820, certainly we may see 13780, 750 levels, and below that further bearishness is going to be seen. Now 20 period, see, whenever we have seen US 100 diverging from the 20 period, it has tried to converge for once. It can converge till 13750, 700 levels for once before it looks over to reversal if it has, and then 13600. So till 13750, 700, 600 levels, very good support exists, and if it drops, it is going to be a very good drop here. Now see, stochastic has dropped here on the 2-hour charts with just a little retracement with just couple of red candles. It has come down to the bottom. The MACD on the other hand have started to cross over, and what we have seen on the hourly charts, if it crosses over, trade with divergence, more bearishness may prevail. RSI overbought certainly on the 3-hour charts to lower highs, lower lows. So wait till 13820, 780, and then below that a very good drop can be expected. It is trading from the extremes. It is trading with the extreme divergence from the 20 period moving average, which has started to stabilize, and hence 13700 levels should be seen in a near future. Stochastic overbought looking for vertical drop. MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI overbought here on the 3-hour charts as well. On the 4-hour charts, if you look, similar is the observation, and 4-hour charts, the convergence there for the 20 period moving average, which means 13650 levels. This can possibly get achieved. Now look at 4-hour charts. Though the candle size is diminished here, but this time if it breaks, it is going to at least hit 13780, 750, 700 levels also. Stochastic taking for a vertical drop there. MACD trying to converge crossover. It is still bullish. RSI is overbought. So everything is overbought with the yesterday's rise. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, first of all, look at the building here. The candle size have consistently increased. It does not mean that it cannot. Now this we saw in the our analysis that US30 is trying to show you squeeze here, and once it breaks out, it is going to be a very good breakout. And see what it has done. It has achieved outside. It has come outside Bollinger Bands, has seen 13900 levels. Now there could be a little pullback today. However, 13800, 13700 levels, very good support exists there. And hence you can sell here at 13820 till 13780. Put a 20-point trailing stop loss. Below 13780 we can see 740, 700 as a very good support zone. And then it may try to erase the gains if it continues to stay below 13700. More bearishness may prevail for 13660, 620 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss above 13900. 14,000 levels it may try to achieve once, if not this week then possibly next week. Beyond 13900 it may try to achieve those levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join our mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of our signals channel. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now look at the hourly charts on US30. See, after creating the base here at 33,545.30 levels, we have seen it's showing a rise here, and see it has seen higher highs, went close to 33,640 levels, and hence if you see it trading below 33,530 you can go for a sell. Till it stays above 33,530 I will not recommend you to sell. In fact, the support there at 33,500 and 480 is very strong. You can see multiple candles waiting for it to breach past by this. Now it is going to be the extremely good support here on the downside. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD is trading with slight bearishness, but it is still at a very higher levels, and it is not a divergence for it to come go ahead with the good bearish bias. RSI very near to the overbought zone. And if you look at the 2-hour chart, now on the 2-hour charts, one important observation is US30 breaking past 33,600 levels, which was a very good resistance. And if you look at these two candles, it was trading with a bearishness. Now it has given a breakout. A complete reversal can be seen if it trades below 33,530. Then only a sell entry can be taken in US30. Else it can continue with the bullish buy. Stochastic rising here from the, and you can see after the consolidation we have seen this giving a breakout with this candle, and hence you have to wait for the 33,530 levels to be breached on the downside. Hence at least till 33,530 do not consider this as bearish. Stochastic certainly is overbought. MACD is divergent bullish. RSI looking upwards. And on the 4-hour charts, if you look at on the 4-hour charts to see, certainly it has breached the resistance. It has traded bullish. It has opened flat and increasing body size, and hence in between 33,650 and 33,530 do not take any trade. Above 33,650 this time we are going to look at 33,720, 800 levels. 800 is what I will look forward to if it stays above 33,720 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI looking upwards. And on the daily charts, if you look at, now on the daily chart, see the candle size was minimalized here. You can see it has diminished, the body size has diminished. However, this time it is trying to trade bullish. It has formed a tail here, trying to look upwards. I will wait for it because see, because also one point you should note here is, see, this was the bearish trend. It is trying to come out of the bearish trend here, and hence little more force might take it. See these candles here, multiple candles getting resistance at 33,800. It can try to strike these levels for once. Stochastic looking up, MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy entry, RSI almost flat, considering this a buy entry at 33,650 and a sell at 33,530. Till 33,530 do not consider this as bearish. On the upside, beyond 33,650 you can still expect 33,720, 800 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for any of the trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.